Good evening, and I welcome you students for a test, quiz, MCQ questions, important questions on tissues, chapter 6, ninth science. Before we begin the session, can you tell me what are tissues? What are tissues, student?
The tissues are the group of similar cells, a group of uh, cells of similar type that perform a similar function.
Tissue is a group of cells similar in structure and function. The two important points about the tissues. When we talk of tissues, there are two important points that tissues have a structure and function. And there is a group of cells involved in it. And what are the two types of plant tissues?
Meristematic tissue and permanent tissue.
What is the difference between meristematic and permanent tissues?
Sir, meristematic tissues are the tissues which have the ability to divide, and permanent tissues are the tissues which do not have the ability to divide.
Permanent tissues are derived from where? Permanent tissues are derived from where? Where permanent tissues are derived? They are derived from meristematic tissue once they lose their ability to divide. What are the types of permanent tissues?
Simple permanent tissue and complex permanent tissue.
Types of permanent tissues. What we have? Simple. What is the difference between simple and complex tissues? What are simple tissues and what are complex tissues?
Sir, in simple permanent tissues, the cells together perform a similar function and are similar in structure and size, whereas in complex permanent tissue, they are different in structure but together perform the same function.
What are the examples of simple tissues?
Parenchyma, collenchyma, and sclerenchyma.
And what about the complex tissues?
Xylem and phloem.
What is the function of xylem?
Xylem helps in transportation of water and minerals from roots to different parts of the plant.
And phloem?
Phloem transports food which is made in leaves to different parts of.
What can be the animal tissues be?
There are 4 types: muscular tissue, epithelial tissue, muscular tissue, and connective tissue and nervous tissue.
Epithelial, connective, muscular, and nervous tissues. So, what type of epithelial tissues are there?
Simple squamous epithelial tissue, then columnar epithelial tissue, cuboidal epithelial tissue, and ciliated columnar epithelial.
What are connective tissues? What are connective tissues?
Sir, their main function is to connect different body organs.
Examples?
Cartilage, bone, radiolar connective tissue.
What is blood?
Sir, blood is a connective tissue which has a fluid matrix, which is plasma.
What are the voluntary and involuntary type of tissues?
Sir, voluntary tissues are the tissues which can be moved by us, and involuntary tissues are the tissues which we cannot move.
Which we cannot control. What are nervous tissues?
Nervous tissues controls and coordinates different functions of the body.
What is a nerve cell? It is a neuron. Neurons. Neuron consists of a cell body with nucleus and cytoplasm from which a long hair-like parts arise. Each neuron has a single part called axon and many short branched parts, dendrites, and nerve fibers bound together by connective tissue make a nerve. The signal that passes along the nerve fiber is called nerve impulse. So all these are important. Nerve is important. So nerve impulses allow us to move our muscles when we want to. The functional combination of nerve and muscle tissue is fundamental in most of the animals. So they are able to move rapidly in response to stimuli. All right. These are some of the recaps, revisions. Is important topic for the exam. A lot of questions are expected. And as we say, students, before you answer the question, think about it. Read the question carefully, pay attention, focus, and try to read all the answers before you answer any question. The questions could be similar in paper, they could be changed. And as you see, there is always a possibility of different type of questions being asked. Paragraphs, reason assertion question, MCQ question, all these types are coming in different papers. It is important that you understand the question clearly before you answer the question. Students who are not able to understand the question will not be able to answer the question. That is the reason we make a revision and try to tell you, okay, our question answer sessions will give you a revision as well as they will provide you knowledge and practice to answer questions in the coming examinations. All right, let us see what we have for you. Here we are having some MCQ questions are on the screen. 4 choices are given. One of the 4 is correct, but you have to read each and every choice clearly and see whether the answer which you are giving is right or not. Question number first, which of the following tissues are dead cells? Can you tell me what are dead cells, students? What are dead cells? Where are the dead cells present? What are dead cells?
The dead cells cannot divide.
Cannot divide. And in where are they? Dead cells?
They are in sclerenchyma.
Sclerenchyma. So which are the following tissues at dead cell? Parenchyma, sclerenchyma, collenchyma, epithelial. What is the correct answer?
Sir, option B.
Sclerenchyma.
Yes, sir.
What about this? What about parenchyma?
Sir, they have living cells.
Living cells. What about collenchyma?
Sir, they also consist of living cells.
Living cells. And what about this epithelial tissue?
Sir, they have living.
They have living. So try to understand each and every, because the question could be changed in the paper. Question may not be this. They'll change the question, students. So you be careful that you should try to understand each and every part of this very clearly before you answer the question. Find out the incorrect sentence. It is important. Sometimes they say correct sentence. Sometimes they true. Sometimes they say incorrect. So read the question carefully. Incorrect sentence. Let us see what is the first part. A, parenchymatous tissues have intercellular spaces. Is it correct or incorrect statement?
Sir, it is correct.
This is a correct statement. It is a correct statement. Okay. All right. Next. Collenchyma tissues are irregularly thickened at corners.
This is correct statement.
This is also correct statement. Okay. It will give us a good revision of the chapter. Apical and intercellary mesonems are permanent tissues.
Sir, this is wrong statement.
This is wrong.
Yes.
This is incorrect. Why it is incorrect?
Because sir, these are type of meristematic tissues.
So meristematic tissues can divide. Okay. What do you
Yes.
mean by meristematic tissues? They can divide. They can divide. So the correct answer which we are giving, which is incorrect, C is incorrect. What about meristematic tissue in its early stage lacks vacuoles?
So this is correct, sir.
This is correct. So answer of this is, what answer we are giving? C. Here the answer was B. All right. Next question is coming. Girth of stem increases due to, girth of stem increases due to, first, apical meristem. Yes or no?
This is wrong.
What is apical meristem?
Sir, apical meristem is present at the apex of leaves
Apex.
and at the stems and roots.
Lateral meristem. Girth of stem increases due to
So
lateral.
this is correct.
Lateral means lengthwise. Lateral meristem. This is correct. Next, intercalary meristem.
So this is not correct.
Not correct. Vertical meristem.
So not correct.
So the correct answer is B, lateral meristem. All right. Next question is on the screen. Which cell does not have perforated cell wall? What do you mean by perforated cell wall, students?
The thick cell wall.
Does not have perforated cell wall. First part A. Does it have perforated cell wall?
Yes, sir.
It has perforated cell wall. What is the function of that? It have perforated cell wall. Have perforated cell wall. What is the function of that?
The tracheids help to transport water and minerals. But
Water and minerals, tracheids. And B, companion cells.
no, sir, they do not have perforated.
What is the function of companion cells? What is the function of companion cells? What do they do? What are companion cells doing?
The companion cells are present in phloem.
What do they do? What is the function? What is the function of companion cells? Function of companion cells. What are the functions of companion cells? They don't have perforated cell wall. What about sieve tubes?
Sir, they have perforated.
They have. And vessels?
So they also have.
We must also understand the functions of each one of them, because the question could be changed. They may ask you the functions of these. It is important to understand the functions. Next question is on the screen. Intestine absorbs digested food materials. What type of epithelial cells are responsible for that? In the intestine, what is happening? Digested food material is absorbed. Epithelial cells, which cells are responsible? First, stratified squamous epithelial, are they responsible?
No, sir.
No. Columnar epithelium,
No, sir.
they are not responsible. Intestine absorbed, digested. What they have? What do you have in intestine?
Sir, they are responsible.
Huh?
Columnar epithelium is responsible for
Responsible?
absorption in intestine.
They are responsible. For digest, for absorption or digestion with a type of cells are responsible for digested food materials in the intestine. In the intestine, you have columnar epithelium. Spindle fibers,
No, sir.
cubital,
No, sir.
what do they do?
Sir, they provide mechanical support.
Okay, this is the correct answer. Answer is B. Columnar epithelium. Next question is coming. A person met with an accident in which two long bones of hand were dislocated. Bones were dislocated. Which among the following may be possible reason? First one, tendon break. Is that reason for dislocation of the bones?
No, sir.
What is tendon break? Is that
The tendons connect bones to the muscles.
break of skeleton muscle?
No, sir.
What are skeletal muscle?
They are striated muscles.
Ligament break.
Sir, this is correct.
Correct. Reason. What is a ligament?
Sir, ligament connects two bones.
They connect the bones. So if they are dislocated, then that is the reason. The ligament breaks. The ligament break. And areolar tissue break.
Sir, this is wrong.
What is areolar tissue break? What is areolar tissue?
Sir, areolar tissue is a connective tissue,
Areolar,
which is
which is
found between skins and muscles.
skins and muscles. So right, the correct answer is C. Ligament break will cause dislocation of the bones. That is the correct answer. While doing work and running, you move your organs like hands, legs. Which among the following is the correct? Do you do that?
Yes, sir.
Running. Organs, what organs? I am writing. Hands, legs, all this. But which of the following is correct? Which of the following is correct? Smooth muscles contract and pull the ligament to move the bones. Smooth muscles.
Sir, this is not correct.
This is wrong. Smooth muscles contract and pull the tendons to move the bones.
Sir, this is wrong.
This is wrong. Skeletal muscles contract and pull the ligament to move the bones. Skeletal muscles.
Sir, this is wrong.
Skeletal muscles contract and pull the tendon to move the bones. Contract and pull the.
So this is correct.
This is correct. So answer is F. The ABC. This is answer is D. This is the correct answer here. The skeletal muscles contract and pull the tendon to move the bones. To move the bones. Next question is coming. Which muscles act involuntarily? What do we mean by voluntary muscles?
Sir, voluntary muscles are the muscles which we can control.
Involuntary. We can control. Involuntary.
So which we cannot control.
They are up themselves up and going on. Involuntary. Some examples of voluntary muscles here. Which muscles act involuntarily? Involuntarily. Striated muscles. Are they involuntary?
No, sir.
Smooth muscles.
Yes, sir.
They are in. Where they are present? Where are these present?
Sir, in the iris of the eye.
Iris of the eyes. Cardiac muscles.
Sir, this is involuntary.
Cardiac muscles are involuntary.
Yes, sir.
Where are they present?
Sir, in the walls of heart.
Heart. In the eyes. In the walls of the heart. They are cardiac muscles, and smooth muscles are involuntary. Skeletal muscles?
No, sir. This is
Wrong. So the correct answers are second and third. Which is that then?
option B.
Option B is the correct. So answer is here B. Second and third, they are correct. Which are involuntary muscles, smooth, and cardiac. Cardiac. Important, this can be asked in many ways. They ask this question in many ways in different papers. Next question is coming. Meristematic tissue in plants are. Meristematic tissues in plants are localized and permanent. Is that correct?
No, sir.
Wrong. Not limited to certain regions.
Sir, this is wrong.
Wrong. Localized and dividing cells.
Sir, these are correct. This is correct.
Growing in volume.
This is not correct.
So correct answer is C. Meristematic tissues are localized and dividing cells. And dividing cells. This is the correct answer. Next question. Which is not a function of epidermis? Which is not a function of epidermis? First, protection from adverse condition.
So this is a function.
This is a function of epidermis. Okay. Gaseous exchange.
So this is also a function.
This is a function of epidermis. Okay. Conduction of water.
So this is not a function.
Not a function of epidermis. Transpiration.
So this is a function.
Function. What is the correct answer?
Option. Option C.
C. Conduction of water is not function of epidermis. Okay. We have to give a revision of this chapter, important topic for the coming examination students, so we should be careful. Next question is coming. Select the incorrect sentence. Incorrect. Blood has a matrix containing proteins, salts, and hormones.
So this is correct.
What is blood? What is blood?
It is a type of connective tissue.
What is the composition of blood? We have shown it. What blood contains? What are the components of the blood?
Blood contains the matrix made up of plasma.
Plasma. What is the composition of plasma?
Consists of proteins, salts, and hormones.
And after that, what do you have? RBC, WBC, and platelets. All this you have seen as a connective tissue. Okay, this is correct. Two bones are connected with a ligament.
So this is correct.
Ligaments connect the two bones, and dislocation can be due to ligament can cause dislocation
Yes, sir.
or no?
Yes, sir.
Tendons are non-fibrous tissue and fragile.
So this is incorrect.
Tendons are in non-fibrous tissue and fragile. Incorrect. What is the correct statement then in this case?
The tendons are fibrous tissue.
Fibrous tissues. Cartilage is a form of connective tissue.
So this is correct.
Cartilage. This is correct. So our answer for this will be, answer is C. C is incorrect. Incorrect sentence. Okay, next question on the screen. Cartilage is not found in. Cartilage is not found in. No, it is not found in. Not found in. Nose.
Sir, it is found in nose.
It is found. Ear.
Sir, it is present in.
It is found. Kidney.
Sir, it is not found in.
Not found. Larynx.
Sir, it is present in.
What is the function of kidney? What is the kidney doing in our body, students?
Sir, it helps in filtration of blood.
Kidney is the filtration unit. And what is the function of cartilage? What is the function of cartilage?
Sir, it smoothens bone surfaces.
All right. Slowly and slowly, we are able to understand our body, What is our body? What are the tissues inside our body? What are the functions of different tissues? Next question is coming on the screen. Fats are stored in human body. Do you think fats are stored?
Yes, sir.
You are eating fats, and when you don't eat, what happens? There's some reserve. There's a reserve of fats in every body. So where they are stored, cuboidal epithelium,
No, sir.
oh. Adipose tissue,
Yes, sir.
yes, they are stored in adipose tissue. Bones, no. Cartilage, no. Therefore, the correct answer is B, adipose tissue. They store the fats. And these fats are, what are these fats doing? They are reserves of fuel or energy in the body, in our body. So answer is B, adipose tissues. Next question is coming, student. Bone matrix is rich in. What is bone matrix? What is bone matrix, student?
Sir, the matrix of the bone.
What it contains?
Calcium and phosphorus.
Bone, your bone, what it contains, student? Fluoride and calcium.
No, sir.
Calcium is there, but fluoride is not there. No?
Yes.
It is not there. Calcium and phosphorus.
Yes, sir.
They contain calcium and phosphorus. Calcium and potassium.
No, sir.
Phosphorus and potassium, no. Therefore, the bone matrix is rich in calcium and phosphorus. What is the source of calcium? How do we get calcium?
From milk, eggs.
That white, what they say. And phosphorus? Also getting phosphorus and calcium. The food which you are eating. What are the sources, students? Answer is B. Bone matrix is rich in calcium and phosphorus. What food products you are eating are phosphorus and calcium. Where is phosphorus present? In which food? All this is related with us. When they talk of healthy food, means what elements you are eating and they are required for the body. Your bones will need calcium and phosphorus. Next question is coming. Contractile proteins are found in. Proteins are of different type of proteins are there. Contractile proteins are found where?
Muscles.
In bones,
No, sir.
blood,
No, sir.
muscles,
Yes.
cartilage. What is the correct answer? C. Contractile proteins are found in, our body needs different type of proteins, large number of proteins. What the function of protein in the body? Found in muscles. How your muscles are built? You will need proteins. What is the source of proteins? Which food you are eating for proteins?
Pulses.
Meat, pulses, whatever you are eating, so many things. Soya, what they call soya. A lot of people are taking protein supplements. Fish provides proteins. Proteins are required. Okay. Next question. Voluntary muscles, that question is very important. I again and again say voluntary and involuntary muscles. So voluntary muscles are found in first alimentary canal. Yes or no?
No, sir.
No. Limbs,
Yes, sir.
you can control them. You can open, you can close when you want. Iris of the eyes, are there voluntary muscles?
No, sir.
They are involuntary. Bronchi of the lungs,
No, sir.
no. These are involuntary. So the correct answer here is B. What are those? Limbs. ठीक है? Well, voluntary muscles are found in. Question can be asked in many ways. Muscles are found in limbs. Any other place of the body where you find voluntary muscles?
Sir, in our legs.
Voluntary muscles which you can control. You can control it. Next question is coming, students. Nervous tissue. What is a nervous tissue, students?
Nervous tissue controls and coordinates different functions of our body.
First one is not found in. Not found in brain. Is it found in brain?
Yes, sir.
Found in brain. Brain has nervous tissue. Spinal cord.
Yes, sir.
Spinal cord. We are always saying sit. Spinal cord should be erect. Why we are giving so much attention to the spinal cord? Where is the spinal cord in our body?
In our back.
How long is it?
From neck to our
Bottom. It is going found. Nervous tissue is found in spinal cord. Is it found in tendons?
No, sir.
No. Where are the tendons found?
It connects muscles to the bone.
Muscles to the bone. Nerves?
Yes, sir.
It is found in nerves. So, nervous tissue is not found in tendons. The correct answer is C. Our answer is C. All the statement should be read very clearly because we must learn what is the function of each. There are two things mainly which we have to learn: structure and function. Structure and function. As you will see, questions are being asked on that. Whatever muscles we have in our body, whatever tissues we have, what are the cells which make them, and what type of tissues are these, and what is the function of these tissues, and how they are working inside the body. Our system is very complex. Multicellular systems are very complex and they need different type of tissues to perform different and specific functions inside the body. Otherwise, the body cannot survive. Next question is coming, student. Nerve cell. Nerve cell does not contain. What is a nerve cell, student?
The cells of the nervous tissue.
The cells of the nervous tissue. Axon. Does the nerve cell contains axon?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it contains. You have seen the structure of the neuron. Yes, it contains axon. Nerve endings.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Tendons?
No, sir.
No. Dendrites?
Yes.
You have seen the structures of nerve cell. A diagram has been given in the book where they have shown dendrite, axon, nucleus, cell body, nerve ending. Tendons are not there. So now cells does not contain. Question should be read very carefully if they contain or does not contain. Tendons. Answer is C. This is the correct answer, students, because they will change the question in the paper. Next question is coming. Which of the following helps in repair of tissue and fills up space inside the organ? Which of the following helps in repair of the tissue? Tissues, when they are getting injured, they have to be repaired, repairing of the tissues. What is helping? First, tendon. What does a tendon helps in repair of tissues?
No, sir.
No. Adipose tissue.
No, sir.
This is the fat, where fat is present. Areolar.
Yes, sir.
They help in repair of tissue. Help repair of tissue. What is areolar?
It is a connective tissue. Is present.
And they are helping in repairing of tissues. And also they fill space inside the organ.
Yes.
Cartilage.
No, sir.
No. No, no, no. This is the answer is areolar tissue. Helps in repair and fills up space inside the organ. Answer is C. C is the correct answer. Very good till now. Next question is coming. This was asked in the paper repeatedly. The muscular tissue which functions throughout the life continuously without fatigue. Inside your body, what is happening, student? There is a muscular tissue which is functioning throughout life. And it is never getting fatigued. You know it so well. You know it so well, student. Which is that muscle?
Cardiac muscle.
Skeletal muscle?
No, sir.
Cardiac muscle? Smooth muscle? Voluntary muscle? No. Where are the cardiac muscles present?
In the walls of heart.
They are present in the walls of heart, and it is the heart is never stopping. If heart stops, we stop. If heart will stop, then we will also be finished. And so this is a very important thing. It is working. What is the secret? How it works? How it works, student? Cardiac arrest. You have heard about cardiac arrest. People have died cardiac arrest. The cardiac stops. What is so something which keeps it working all the time?
The cardiac muscle.
Cardiac muscle. You know what it is made up of? You have to study more about it. It's very important. It's very, very important. Muscle, cardiac muscle. Once it stops functioning, cardiac arrest will take place, and that is the death. Next question. Which of the following cell is not found in cartilaginous tissue of the body? Not found in cartilaginous tissue of the body. Where is this cartilaginous tissue?
Sir, it is present in nose
Okay.
and larynx.
Oh, water, heal me, I'll sip water. Okay. Which of the following cell is found in cartilaginous tissue of the body? First one, mast cell?
No, sir.
No. Basophils?
No, sir.
Osteocytes?
No, sir.
Chondrocytes?
Yes, sir.
Only last is left then. This is the correct answer. This is the correct answer. You are left with only one answer. So sometimes first answer is correct, then students save a lot of time in the exam. Here we are not in the exam. Here we are trying to understand each and every line, each and every word. That's why we are spending more time thinking very clearly. The dead element present in phloem is companion cells. Are they dead?
No, sir.
Phloem fibers?
Yes, sir.
Dead element. These are dead elements. Phloem parenchyma?
No, sir.
Sieve tubes? No. So the only answer is B. The dead elements are present in phloem fibers. Dead elements are present in where? Phloem fibers. That is the correct answer. This is the correct answer. Okay. Next question. Which of the following does not lose their nucleus at maturity? At maturity. Companion cells? Does they lose maturity?
No.
No. RBC?
Yes, sir.
They lose maturity. Vessels?
Yes, sir.
Sieve tubes?
Yes, sir.
Then the only answer is A. Companion cells. Companion cells do not lose their nucleus at maturity. Okay. Next question. In desert plants, rate of water loss gets reduced due to presence of desert plants. What are desert plants? You know, in the deserts, you have less water. There is a scarcity of water in the desert plants. If they lose too much of water, we don't have so much water in the deserts. So what type of plants are they? Rate of water loss will be less because of what? Cuticle, stomata, lignin, spermine. What is the answer?
Cuticle.
Cuticle. What is that?
Sir, when it consists of cutin.
Yes. What it forms a layer, and what is the result of that? Does not allow the loss of waters will be retained, and then the rate of water loss will be reduced. The answer is A. Cuticle. Desert plants have cuticle, which reduces the rate of water loss. Reduces rate of water loss in desert plants? Because in desert the water is less or more?
Less.
Less. So that is the correct answer. Next question. Long tree has several branches. The tissue that helps in sideway conduction of water in branches is the tissue helps in sideways conduction of water in the branches. Sideway conduction of water is parenchyma. Is that correct?
No, sir.
No. Xylem parenchyma.
No, sir.
Xylem parenchyma. What is that?
Sir, it shows
Huh? Water. Long tree has the tissue that helps in sideways conduction of water. What tissues are conducting water in the branches?
xylem.
Xylem. Then which one? Which xylem? Which is the correct answer?
The xylem parent.
Which is xylem?
Parenchyma.
Yes. All right. Answer is B. Xylem parenchyma. Next question. In the tip of sugar cane plant is removed from field even when it keeps on growing in length. It is due to presence of cambium, epimeristem, lateral meristem, intercalary meristem. Which is the correct answer?
Intercalary meristem.
Huh? Sugar cane plant. What is that?
Apical meristem.
Apical? It's not. What you are growing in length? That should be lateral, which grows in length. Answer is C. Lateral. Lateral is growing in length. Growing in length. Lateral meristem. A nail is instructed in trunk of a tree at a height of 1 meter from ground after 3 years. After 3 years, the nail will move downward, upward, remain the same position, move sideways. What happens to the nail?
Move downwards.
How it moves downwards? Nail position cannot change. What is the result of that? Remains the same. Why nail will change the position? Nail is not going to change the position. Next question. Parenchyma cells are relatively unspecified and thin walls, thick-walled and specialized, lignified, none of these. Parenchyma cells. What type of these are?
Sir, option A.
Thin-walled. Option A is the correct option. All right. Flexibility in plants is due to
Collenchyma.
parenchyma. This okay. Flexibility in plant, that is the correct answer. Answer A. that is responsible for flexibility in plant. Cork cells are made impervious to water and gases by the presence of
Suberin.
we already know there is a compound suberin which made impervious to water and gases by the presence of Cork cells. This is not correct. This is the correct answer. All right, this ends of the test and quiz here. So all you're getting is 28 out of 30. Okay, well done, students. This was a good revision as well as a good quiz, and a lot of important questions have been discussed. We have tried to explain what other possibilities are there, what variations in questions will be there in the paper. There will be different type of questions, certain reason, there will be paragraphs, MCQ type of questions, and students should be prepared for everything. So we'll see you next time, and keep on sharing our videos with your friends and ask them to subscribe. It's very, very difficult for us to bring different questions and ask you, because it will take a lot of time to prepare these questions from different sources. Therefore, we would want that at least you should recommend and send this to at least 5 to 10 friends, so they can also see these sessions, and then it will help us, or we will feel it. We won't be feeling very happy to spend so much time. It takes a lot of time to make all this. So thank you. We'll see next time. Okay, bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.